Like, subscribe, and get notified.
We discussed two issues. One was that the registration of an offence against Advocate Leona Barreto, wherein she is the original complainant, and the second one was for demand for rational fixation of rates of land for the purpose of registration and stamp duty. Now let me bring on the first point. The first point is in respect of last week there was an incident wherein an advocate who had gone for inspection, her car was broken. She was the original complainant. In respect of that, there is a cross complaint which has been filed against her, and she has been made an accused over there. So today we had met over here to discuss on that such an issue, because we are considered as officers of the court, and today if there is threat to us, it is automatic threat to the general public also, because we are representing the general public. So that is why there should be something called as a protection of advocates. So we have passed a resolution. That is, first resolution is that Advocate Leona Barreto should file writ petition to the Honorable High Court for quashing of FIR along with the association. And secondly, we have resolved to appoint Senior Advocate Cleophas Coutinho to assist in filing of this petition. Further, we have also resolved to approach the government to bring in the Advocate Protection Bill, which is the need of the hour. Also, under the earlier IPC section and now the PNS sections, what is happened is that every certain section is considered a public servant. So we will also make a demand to the government that advocates along with other professionals should also be considered as a public servant in respect of the offences which are to be done against them. So that gives at least some protection to the advocates. This is on respect of the first issue which was covered up. Now as far as the second issue, everybody must have are aware that there was this notification which has come of the government on which was published on 30th October 2024, wherein the government has increased the land rents drastically and in an arbitrary manner. See, none of the parties are taken into confidence. Now, on what basis this has been made also is not made public to anybody. So, these rates, if one compares this to the prevailing rates, this is not double, this is 3 times increase in the rates. Some villages we have seen that it was 800 or something, they have made it to 5,000. On what basis? Nobody knows. Some places you find that there is no sellability. See, plots, properties, everybody knows. But it differs from location to location. There should be identification of property. There is no identification. A general rule is that yes, this village, this is the rate, which is arbitrary manner. So that is why we are going to approach the government. We are going to make a South Goa Advocates Association will be making a resolution to stop this notification by which they have fixed these land rates, as this is arbitrary. And secondly, we are also going to make a representation, because last month there was a notification or a circular issued by the government that a certain body of people are appointed for fixation of these rates. Now the government on one side says that they have appointed a body to fix the rate, but at the second instance they have framed these rates and they have directly made applicable these rates also. So once you have already formed a committee, that committee should have been taken into confidence by bringing these rates. They have not been taken into confidence. Secondly, in that committee, advocates are not made parties. We have not been joined over there. Our say should also have been taken over. So that is why we are going to make a recommendation to the government that district members of the district association should be part of that committee who fixes this rate.
Watch on Herald TV.